Welcome to the journey of a banana. Bananas are one of the most beloved fruits worldwide, enjoyed by millions every day. But have you ever wondered about the journey a banana takes before reaching your table? From planting and harvesting to transportation and distribution, every banana undergoes a fascinating and intricate process. Join us as we explore the remarkable journey of a banana from farm to market. The cultivation of bananas starts with meticulous soil preparation. Farmers select fertile lands that provide sufficient moisture and essential nutrients. Before planting, soil analysis is conducted to ensure it is rich in potassium and nitrogen, two key elements vital for the growth of banana trees. Additionally, organic fertilizers such as compost and manure are incorporated into the soil to promote a strong root system and enhance plant development. Once the land is prepared, farmers plant young banana saplings, which quickly spread, forming dense plantations. The first few months of a banana plant's life require intensive care. Weeds are removed, fertilizers are applied, and moisture levels are carefully monitored. Protecting the plants from pests and diseases is also crucial, as these threats can significantly impact future yields. Many farmers adopt biological pest control methods, such as planting companion crops that naturally repel harmful insects. Bananas demand special attention due to their sensitivity to environmental conditions. To maintain optimal soil moisture, farmers often install drip irrigation systems, which provide consistent hydration without wasting water. In modern plantations, advanced agricultural technologies are employed, including automated soil and plant health monitoring, using drones and sensors. These innovations allow for real-time responses to environmental changes, minimizing potential crop losses and ensuring higher yields. When bananas reach maturity but remain green, it is time for harvesting. Skilled workers carefully cut down the heavy banana bunches and gently place them onto specialized carrying racks to minimize damage. Bananas must not be harvested when fully ripe, as they would not endure the long journey to their final destinations. Experienced harvesters can precisely determine the ideal moment for picking the fruit, ensuring optimal quality. After harvesting, the bananas are transported to packing centers where they are sorted by size, quality, and ripeness level. Each banana undergoes an inspection for damage before being thoroughly washed and packed into protective boxes. One crucial factor in banana storage is ethylene gas, which accelerates ripening. Therefore, bananas are kept in ventilated storage facilities to regulate ethylene exposure and control their ripening process. In some countries, mechanized harvesting systems have been introduced to improve efficiency and reduce labor intensity. However, manual harvesting remains the preferred method, as it allows for gentle handling of the fruit, reducing bruising and maintaining its quality. Once packed, bananas are loaded into specialized refrigerated containers that maintain a temperature of approximately 13 to 14 degrees Celsius, 55 to 57 degrees Fahrenheit. This controlled environment slows down the ripening process, ensuring the fruit arrives at its destination in prime condition. Modern containers are equipped with temperature and humidity control systems, significantly reducing spoilage during transportation. The containers are then shipped to ports, where they are loaded onto cargo ships. The journey can take several weeks, making constant temperature and humidity monitoring essential. During the voyage, the bananas are regularly checked, and necessary adjustments are made to their storage conditions. Upon arrival in the importing country, they are unloaded and transferred to special ripening chambers, where controlled ethylene exposure accelerates the ripening process. This method ensures that bananas reach consumers at the perfect stage of ripeness. In major banana exporting countries such as Ecuador and the Philippines, large logistics centers handle the distribution process. Specialists oversee quality control, conducting additional inspections before dispatching shipments to their final destinations. Thanks to modern tracking technologies, the movement of each container can be monitored in real time, reducing delays and minimizing losses. After reaching the ideal ripeness, bananas are delivered to distribution centers and then transported to supermarkets, local markets, and grocery stores. Their bright yellow color and fresh aroma attract customers, making bananas one of the most popular fruits worldwide. Retailers strive to maintain optimal storage conditions to keep the fruit fresh for as long as possible. Some bananas are sent to processing facilities where they are transformed into products such as juices, baby food, dried banana chips, and other banana-based goods. Advances in food processing technology have helped reduce waste, allowing producers to maximize the use of every harvested banana. The banana industry plays a vital role in the economies of many countries. Millions of people, from farmers to logistics workers and food processing specialists, are involved in this sector. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for organic bananas, cultivated without synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. The journey of a banana from farm to table is a complex process requiring expertise, technology, and strict quality control at every stage. Thanks to continuous advancements, consumers worldwide can enjoy fresh and nutritious bananas year-round. Future innovations in storage and transportation methods are expected to further enhance product quality while reducing logistics costs. With each passing year, technology continues to transform the banana industry. Scientists are developing new banana varieties that are resistant to diseases and climate fluctuations. Some of these varieties boast improved flavor and longer shelf life, benefiting both producers and consumers. Research is also being conducted to reduce the carbon footprint of banana transportation. Companies are testing eco-friendly packaging materials and exploring alternative shipping methods to make the supply chain more sustainable. Automated sorting and processing systems are already being implemented in major plantations. Artificial intelligence helps analyze crop conditions, predict harvesting times, and minimize waste. These advancements make production more efficient and reduce overall costs. As the banana industry evolves, it continues to offer the world not only delicious and nutritious fruit, but also groundbreaking technologies that improve sustainability and efficiency. Thanks to these innovations, bananas will remain a staple fruit for millions of consumers worldwide for years to come. The journey of a banana is an incredible process that combines agriculture, logistics, technology, and commerce. From the dedicated farmers who cultivate the plants to the advanced shipping networks that deliver them across the globe, every step ensures that bananas remain one of the world's most accessible and beloved fruits. As the industry continues to evolve with sustainability and efficiency in mind, the future of bananas looks promising. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of bananas. The next time you enjoy this sweet and nutritious fruit, take a moment to appreciate the effort and innovation that made it possible. We hope you've learned something new and gained a greater appreciation for this incredible industry. Until next time, happy eating!